Sachipo means happy land. It's a circle dance belonging to Amdo Cordro. Now we see the movement. Male and female movement are the same. The first movement at beginning, toward the end of the intro music, we slowly bring up our arms, and with our arms we create the circle between the dancers. So pay attention of the high of the arms. Now we start with the words. We start with the right foot and we do sequences of 4 counts or 4 steps. So we go right, left, right. Now left up, foot and knee goes up. And now we start left, left, right, left, up. And then right, left, right, left, up. And then left, right, up. So we repeat 4 times this sequence. Now from here, we step with right foot, we bring our left hand on the hip, right goes in front, and we do left heel. Now we do left step, right heel, opening our right arm to the side. And again, right step, left heel, and the arm goes opposite side to left. Once more, left step, right heel. So if we do all together this movement from the beginning with the timing, will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, with next movement, we go toward the center of the circle. And we will have one sequence of 8 counts and one sequence of 6 counts. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this movement, we move first the right foot, but left arm we go in front and we continue like this opposite way. Now left step, right arm. You see we bounce and the torso is bending. Arm straight and then both arms down. Now right goes up, describing a circle, and we look in that direction. And now the left arm describes a circle and we look. We continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here we continue as before. Now with the sequence of 10 counts, we repeat 4 times the chassé step. The first 2 times we go outside the circle, diagonal. And then the third and fourth, we go following the circle line. After this, we bend, stretching our arms left to the center, right arm and foot behind. Then we go up with a 10 count. In the middle of the dance, when there is only music, we do this movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we continue with next part as usual. When we do this movement, the steps are like the usual steps when we move along the circle, but we turn with our body to left side and right side alternate. And on the turning, the arms bend just a little bit. Last part of the dance, we repeat the first two kind of sequences. So we see 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and